how to help guys date ugly women.
Set your standards lower, gentlemen. Marnie's got huge testicles. You suck.
I know that's your thing. I don't know how to snap. And everybody knows I have huge balls.
You've got a video that you did that I was so intrigued by. It clickbaited me.
Oh.
It was 2 words that attract all women.
Yes.
Can we actually give it to the gentleman?
Do you want me to give it to the gentleman?
I do after a message from today's video sponsor. You are going to love this deal. Right now, for a limited time, you're going to get for $50, which regular price of this is $84, which means it's $34 off. You get to pick whichever Pete and Pedro fragrance you want. Whether or not it's Legend, it's Villain, it's King, it's Hero, it's Rebel. You get to pick whichever fragrance you want. It's your choice. A full-size bottle. Retail value of that is $50, but you're also going to get a deodorant, the fresh deodorant. It's a eucalyptus spearmint. It's natural, which means you're not going to be rubbing toxic chemicals on your pits. This stuff is amazing and it smells incredible. But your balls are going to smell even better because you're going to get a full-size fresh ball powder. This stuff is talc-free. It's not only going to keep your balls smelling amazing, it's going to keep them dry. And a little sprinkle of this up your booty crack to make sure you don't get swamp ass. Right now, for a limited time, in honor of Marnie, if you use the code DATING34, you're going to get the ultimate dating package for $34 off. Regular price of this package, guys, is $84, but if you use the code DATING34, you're getting it for $50. All the information is going to be linked down below. Gentlemen, do not wait. I want you to smell better than all your friends. Marnie's about to drop some serious knowledge to help you attract those spicy senoritas, but she also has a free gift that we're going to drop on you right now that's linked down below. Marnie.
Yes, if you go to fwithher.com, you learn the 5 things that you need to do to attract women right now. Not just one woman, but all women.
And it's free. It's free.
Sorry, it's free. It's a video series.
It's free. It's free. Gentlemen, it's linked down below. Now, Marnie. All right.
Yes.
Let's get talking. What is this? What is this IW? The 2 words that attract all women. What is it?
They are I and want. I want, which means being clear on your intentions, which many guys do not do. They cover up their intentions. They pretend they want something else, like a friendship, or to be kind and nice and respectful, when what they really want is to sleep with her, date her, be with her.
Who's your daddy? So why is that so powerful?
Well, you use this term quite a lot, so you should understand the power that you receive from it, but because you do it so naturally, you may not be aware of it.
I do it?
You do it all the time. I hear you say, I want this, I want that. You're not wishy-washy and asking somebody else to tell you what you want. I really believe the only way to get what you want is by asking for it. So if you see a woman and you want her phone number, be bold, be confident, and say, I want your phone number. If you want a kiss from her, you say, I want to kiss you. If you want, do you see the pattern here?
I see the pattern. Yes. I want. And if she says no?
Then you go, bye-bye, I'm going to go over there.
Oh, okay, so let's talk a little bit about rejection. I think that's one of the reasons why so many guys are so fearful. They'll see somebody, they'll be like, oh, damn, I want to make out with her, whatever, hump her leg, like whatever. But the fear of rejection is so powerful. Yeah. How do you get over that? Is there a tip or a trick that you can actually
get?
Okay, well, help us.
You start getting rejected for fun. And I know that doesn't sound fun for so many guys.
Sounds awesome.
I know, you're like, I can't wait to get rejected. But that's where you have to get to. You have to reframe your mindset to not think rejection is the worst thing in the entire world.
Or that it's bad. Or that it's always bad.
Because it's wonderful. Because rejection helps you grow and helps you learn how to do it better the next time. And if it's not the next time, it's 10 times down the road because you're going to be tweaking things along the way. So I have 2 exercises for them. One for I want and one for rejection.
Okay.
So the exercises, go out and get rejected 5 times a day. And when you get rejected, I want you to try this. I want you to smile, say thank you, and then turn around. And actually, you gave a really good tip in another video we did.
About the asking for...
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, which I think was fantastic.
Noah Kagan, I got to give credit where credit is due. Here's a tip to work that rejection muscle. Ask for 10% off, whether or not you're going to grab a cup of coffee or you're buying a car, like anything. Yeah. Just say, hey, can I have 10% off? And a lot of times they're going to be like, wait, what? No. Like, what are you talking about?
It doesn't work that way.
Yeah, it doesn't work that way. But the funny thing is that when you actually do that and you're going like clothes shopping, a lot of times the cashier will have a coupon and you'll actually get it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, man.
I ask that all the time
Yeah,
now.
exactly. Go and ask, right? Now, sometimes you're going to get that 10% off, but it's not about getting it. It's about being rejected. Because because the more you do it, the more you put yourself in those situations where you're possibly going to get rejected, the better and more comfortable you become, and the easier it is. So the next time you want to get something that's a little bit scarier, like a phone number or a kiss or something like that, it's not as big of a deal because you've worked that muscle.
Yes, and these are the stepping stones. So if approaching a woman and getting rejected is too much for you right now, start with the 10%.
Exactly.
Build your way up. Or even go 10% unattractive people, unattractive women, and then hot women.
Yeah, but what happens if an unattractive woman, you go up to her, you're like, yo, girl, what's going on? She's like, hey, yes, let's do this now.
Let's go for coffee and practice other things. And practice other things.
So
practice the next step. Why not?
So you're advocating these dudes going out and trying to hook up with, like,
unattractive women.
Gentlemen,
Listen, at the end of the day,
wait, she's got a dating channel? She got a dating channel?
Yes, but it's how to help guys date ugly women.
Set your standards lower, gentlemen, and you'll get 100%.
No, but just remember, you can learn from every experience. Exactly what you said before.
Yes.
Failure is the first step to success. Same with interacting with a woman you're not attracted to, getting her to say yes to going out with you, then going
There's
for coffee.
nothing, and let me just from experience. I'm just saying, it's okay to, kick a few tires that are a little bit.
Plus, you're gonna make her feel good. You're gonna enjoy.
Compliments, gentlemen.
Okay, the other exercise is I want. So many people, including myself, this is where I used to be, were very uncomfortable for asking what they want. So my exercise is 5 times a day. You have to inject the phrase "I want" into your day.
Watch, ready? I'm going to show you. I want you to drop me one of these. I want you to give me a knuckle bump. I want you to hit that link down below and smell better because you're going to now smell incredible with the Pete and Pedro fragrance, and the deodorant in your balls are going to smell fresh as hell. It's a turn on when a guy's balls smell incredible, right?
100%.
Gentlemen, it's
I have
like,
some of your stuff at home.
Exactly.
Not for my balls.
For your balls?
No.
Marni, here's fake news. Marni's got huge testicles.
We said this before in another video, and everybody knows I have huge balls.
Huge balls.
It's not big news.
Ask for what you want, gentlemen. That's the thing. You only have one shot at this life.
Yeah.
And if you're going to sit there and let life give you sloppy seconds, gentlemen, you are never going to truly be happy. You're never truly going to be fulfilled. The bigger the risk, the bigger the reward, but sometimes you got to kiss a few wildebeest, apparently, to get what you want. Marni?
I'm just saying go for coffee with one, not make...
I'm saying coffee leads to action in the back of the car.
I hope so.
What's up, Knuckle Bump? Gentlemen, we love you. Make sure to drop one of these and make sure to go download Marni's incredible free guide. You suck.
I know that's your thing. I don't know how to snap. I'm so
Come on, ready?
I can't do it.
Right there. That sucks.
I am a horrible snapper.
You're a horrible snapper.